16.
What up, everybody?
Hello, I am Fish. Maybe? Am I Fish?
You are.
Oh.
Is he fishy? Now, I'm Poetic, and today we are going to be trying 5280 Jalapeno Mango Margarita. He's not a spice man, so this is going to be interesting to see how it's going to taste.
It's called Let's Get Salty with it. And it's called Let's Get Salty and added with it.
Salt actually might... You know what actually might be good with this? Now that I smell it, because it smells kind of good. I should have bought it for my house.
It's designed to be made into a margarita.
Yeah, the salt rim, and I have it at home. I didn't think carefully. That would have been perfect. I think salt would actually make it taste super good.
He doesn't follow instructions, boys.
I don't.
Or girls.
Or people.
People things. I don't know. And I'm... Oh, he's giving me something.
We're putting very little. Very little. So we want to try it out.
The jalapeno smell, very strong. Strong enough that I can smell it.
I feel like if you add lime to it and salt, it would make this drink really good. And I might try that later on when I get home. And we might see what happens.
Need a follow-up. But let's go ahead and try it raw and see how it goes.
We're both hesitant with the jalapeno in the drink. I'm kind of... Okay. That's surprising. I thought it was going to be spicy.
You know, the that mango mix part of it really cuts... Like, it's not spicy.
It's
it has
not
a very,
at all.
Yeah. a very smoky flavor.
It smells spicy, but it doesn't taste it.
It's smoky with a slight sweetness.
Yeah, I think I like this one. I actually think with what do you call that stuff?
Delicious.
Salt?
You add lime juice, amaretto, or in Grand Mirror, add a splash of citrus juice to Margarita mix for a tropical treat.
I'm gonna give this
jalapenos have varying heat, so sample 3 days to make sure it isn't too spicy. The one that we got isn't spicy at all, which for y'all who know me is kind of a surprise. You do get some smokiness, which actually ain't bad.
And me not listening to the direction, I should have bought the lime and the salt because honestly, picture it if you can. But I think with the lime and the salt, this would make it a really good margarita, like a really enjoyable drink. Like it's still enjoyable, but I think with the added stuff, it would actually be really, really good.
Hold on, children. Be right back. Okay, I thought I had limes. I lied.
Yeah.
Yeah, it comes out more smoky than spicy. With this slight touch of sweetness. This reminds me of the time we were in Puerto Vallarta and they had some Mezcal 7s, is what they were calling it, at the hotel we were at.
Yeah.
Actually quite enjoyable. A little bit of smoky, a little bit of sweetness.
I'm actually a very big fan of this.
A little bit of Sprite or 7-Up would be perfect.
Yeah, some type of lime soda with a little rim of salt. Honestly, I think this is a drink I would drink almost every day. It's actually quite enjoyable.
So there you go. Don't go be judging things before you try it.
As you can see, we were kind of afraid, but it's actually it's very quite. Actually, out of the drinks that we've done today, which is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 drinks that we've been having, I would almost say this is probably my second favorite drink, next to the first lemonade that we did. This is my second favorite. I actually quite enjoy this.
Yeah, it turned out a lot. Wow, very different.
So with knowing that we needed the Sprite and the lime soda and the salt, but we know it was going to taste super good with that. But what would you rate it without that?
Shockingly, I would say this is probably a 9.
I gotta agree on that.
Like I like the other ones, but this just for the wow factor, compared to what you were expecting to what you got is pretty impressive.
Yeah, I gotta agree. I'd go as high as saying 9.2 for me. Just because I do enjoy it a lot. Anything above a 5 is good. But I mean, honestly, anything above a 7, 8 is perfection. It's good. It's good. I like it. And I can see where a Sprite or some type of lime soda and the salt rim and a nice glass, bro. This is a good poolside drink, easily.
Very, very interesting for sure.
Yeah.
Again, that was the 5280 Mermaid Company. Links will be in the description below, and please support them because they support cancer treatments. And Thank you for listening to our various rants. And as always,
Keep on wandering and enjoy the food and drinks and everything.